Sorry about that disruption. So yes, back to child being lost in supermarket, shopping mall. And when the mother is reunited with the child, the mother has her own stuff around this. And I've had experiences of this in my life where I'm anxious. I might be even not rough, but growly with the child. What did you do? Where did you go? Why didn't you stay with me? I told you to stay with me. Whatever your reaction, if it's not just holding, loving, and holding space for the child's emotions to run their course, if you come in with something that's a little bit your own stuff, your own baggage, the child's experience gets cut short and it's not completed. And so in the child's brain, the experience isn't like complete. And therefore, when an experience isn't complete, it will find experiences and attract experiences in the future to try and complete that circuit. And this is where it's kind of like the foundation of a lot of the stuff that we're all going through. We've all had experiences from the past that haven't been completed and finished and filed. So they remain open in the brain and they're looking for resolution. They're looking for completion. I'm hoping this is making sense.